Stopping so I can fall asleep, cause I feel my body upside down by the hello syndrome. Open tight, open all your dreams. Live around through my brain and come out to me as how I feel. I already felt this way before that it turned out into a fool. But no, this time is the one. Check, let's look at it. Gonna check the game. Some of our quiz will beat whatever you will play. Check, let's look at it. Gotta check the game. Some of our quiz will beat whatever you will play. Just wish you could fall asleep and in my consciousness. What do you think about my dream? I'm no Panera, I trust you there. Let me be a traveler, never call a bad good address. Tell me I will